First up, we're going to get the rubber cooling flaps clicked in place. Let's unscrew some of the bolts, the retaining bolts that clip on the frame to the radiator. Then we're going to grab the radiator fan housing and just attach in the motor. It's held on by 3 bolts. Then clip the fan into place. That's just 1 bolt straight in the middle, so tighten that up. Now it's time to fit the whole cowling and the fan assembly, just with those 4 bolts that we took out earlier, into the back of the radiator. Just using a pitch gauge, check the thread of the bolt and the matching thread of the tap. I'm just going to tap out these holes here just because they might have a little bit of paint in. I don't want to cause any further damage, and the bolt should then just go freely in and out. Time to install the whole assembly. Just clicks into the front slam panel and clips on using the 2 black brackets, as you can see, which I've already put in place. Just showing you how that fits in, and then the bolt goes in as well. And there you have it, radiator and fan all installed.